Hulkenberg struggling at turn 3. More trouble at turn 3. This time it's Sebastian Vettel that's tangled up.
And there was a Salvers place in the wrong way.
He goes to 7th, and that's the best position he's ever been in, and he may well stay there. That was a very unstable moment for Jean-Eric, and the Toro Rosso looking very scary, snapping sideways with a nasty How did he do this? Oh, he did it nice. He actually gave himself so much turning space. He tried to